ladies, welcome back to the channel. Watch me transform from this before picture to this after picture. Stay tuned. Okay, the first thing you'll have to do is section off the front of your hair. I took the front section and I sectioned off just enough to leave out to cover the half wig, and then I took that and I separated it from the back. And the next thing that I did is I put a very loose braid on both sides going back. I just did a very loose French braid going back, and I tucked the tips under. I tucked the tips underneath. I started to work on the front. I got an electric hot comb and I just went through the front of my hair, and I just straightened my edges out as best I could. I didn't want to leave it on too long, so I just straightened it out a little bit. Okay, I put a cap on just to hide the back of my hair, and as you can see, this is a half wig. The name of this wig is Annie, and I have it in the color 1B. It is by Outre. It has two combs in the front and a comb in the back, and it is your standard half wig. I took the front of my hair and I just pushed it back. As you can see, my hair is more of a 2 and the wig is a 1B. I'm going to start adding gel and just trying to get my hair to slick down so that I can pull it up into a ponytail. I decided to do a ponytail since it's summertime, and that way it will get the hair out of your face. So continue to watch, and I will come back to you ladies at the end to tell you how I feel about this half wig. the final look for this half wig Annie. And I'm gonna go through just a couple things that I did and the reason why I end up doing them. Okay, as you saw, the wig is your standard half wig with the 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. So what I ended up doing was I took out just a little bit of my hair. Took out a little bit of my edges, cornrowed the rest back. I loosely cornrowed it. It wasn't anything tight or anything like that. And then I took and went through my edges with the hot comb. And the reason why I did that is because, as you guys may know, I'm natural, and it was kind of hard for me to use straight units and as half wigs, because my hair a lot of times won't blend with it, because you know my hair isn't straight, so it takes a lot, and I don't put a lot of heat on it, so it just takes a lot. So anyway, I went through with the with this hot comb, and this is an electric hot comb. I got this thing like so long ago, I have no idea even where I got it from. So I went through with that first, and then after I did that, I went ahead and started to flat iron the back, and then I took this part and pulled it up into a ponytail, and I started to kind of work on my edges. Now that's probably like as straight as my edges are probably gonna get, like, for me right now. And then after I did that, I tied it down for about 10 minutes and did some other things, and then kind of came back. Now I did take my own hair and wrap it around here, the ponytail, so that the hair that's at the base and the hair that's wrapped around my ponytail would be the same color. Then the next thing that I did was, I know that the hair and my hair is off somewhat. So what I did is I just used this Dark and Lovely Intense Color Spray. I ended up getting this spray when I was at Essence Fest. They had a Dark and Lovely came out with this spray, and they ended up giving a lot of this stuff out at this event, and so I ended up picking up a couple bottles of it, and I am going to do a review on this spray for you ladies. So anyway, I used this purple spray and just kind of went in the front and went in on the top. That way you wouldn't notice the slight color difference and gradient between my hair and the half wig. So another thing that I did and I shouldn't have done is, when you are putting using this, doing a half wig, make sure that you use a black cap. I couldn't find my black cap anywhere, so I just got one of my nude caps. But if you have a black cap, use a black cap, because once you pull it up, like you can see over here, you will be able to see your cap right here, because it's just tracks there. So what I ended up doing was putting 2 pins on the side, and then having this side go back and this side kind of came forward. But if you had on a black cap, it would be no big deal. So anyway, this wig is pretty self-explanatory. It is yucky in texture. It is considered big head friendly, if you want to say that it's big head friendly. I mean, I have it, I think it starts right here, and it fits back here comfortably. This is an older unit, and I think I've seen people wear it as a full wig. So you could also wear it as a full wig, or if your hair is this texture, then you would just go ahead on and put your hair out in the front, and you could, put a band on it or whatever. I just wanted to see what I could do with it as far as pulling it up, because in the summertime it's hot and sometimes you don't want stuff in your face, and this way you could just pull it up into a ponytail style. But like I said, just remember when you do that you need to have a black cap. So I'm going to try to give you a 360 of this. That is this side and the back and this side. So I think it's a cute, fun summer style, easy to do, especially if your hair, if you have to try to work with the front, it's easy to do. So thank you ladies so much for watching the video today. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you decide to share this video on any of your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. And as you know by now, my name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.
Come mess with a real one, you're one in a million. Don't let a lot of people in, but you get admission.